Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here with day 13 of the 2019 Christmas series. Yeah, we're over the hump. Yay! And we're still rolling. So this beginning is just going to be a little bit different. I had to switch around some days. I'm doing them live like this, and everyone seems to like it that way. So I do want to continue that, but again, with the schedule, things had to move around. So again, let's get to day 13 and the cards that we're going to make for that. So here we go. We're going to make some different size cards today. So they are going to be cards. When I saw this stamp set, I absolutely fell in love with it. So we are going to feature today Tailored Expressions. And oh my God, they're fingerprints. This is just absolutely okay. From our herd to yours. I'm just saying that. Okay, it's me. I know, but I had to create some cards. So this is not the actual size. You can see they are a lot bigger, but you can have just so much fun with these. I mean, again, it's all fingerprints. So no coloring, no nothing, because I don't want to take away from the fingerprint. And you can tell I'm going to use my fingerprint because there's not one in here. Okay, so let's dive right in. Obnoxious sounds. All right, so I'm definitely going to do, all right, so I have my 2 pieces of cardstock. And I'm going to make 2 different cards here. All right, so, of course, I need other inks. So, let's see here. I'm going to use my dark chocolate and Kraft for From Our Herd to Yours. Yes. I'm going to use my jelly bean. An Ocean Mist. And do I want a red? Yeah, I want a red. Let's go with Red Velvet. Okay, so those are my 3 for that. All right, I am going to stamp in black, and I'm going to use my Amalgam ink. And I need an acrylic block. I need a bunch of acrylic blocks. Okay. So, let's see here. Let's first stamp. I'm going to have fun with the ornaments first. All right, so I'm going to go in. These are, as you can see, red rubber. They are already on some cling foam, so we don't have to worry about doing that ourselves, which is awesome. And I'm going to try to get these centered. And I'm going to go right there. It's cute that it's kind of on an angle, and that's fine. Well, I let it go. Let it go. We're going with that. All right, I'm going to clean my stamp. And let's see, so I want the main, because I have to do From Our Herd to Yours. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to line that up, the scarf part, on my block. And I am going to put, can you see if I'm, yes. So I'm going to line that up on my grid. Like that. Cute. And then I'm going to come in with the little guy, doing the same thing. Kind of, what I'm kind of doing is lining up these lines and their eyes on my grid, on my acrylic block. And then I'm just lining my line up with my grid on my mat here. Well, as best as I can. So I'm going to put one here. Again, if it's a little crooked, it's okay. And then I'm going to put a third, because you know I do everything's in odd numbers, yes. Oops, got to move over. Thought I was already touched down. I'm going to put this one right here. So it's cute that it's kind of stepping. All right, let's do our sentiments. So again, I'm lining up my sentiment on my acrylic block line. And let's see here. We will put that right there. Huh, not bad. Clean that off. And then the one that started it all. I love this thing. So again, I'm just going to try to line that up and pray my block is long enough. And it is. All right, and now we are going to put this right up here. Perfect. Okay, so, yep, that's what I do. I throw things across the room. All right, so now I'm going to make sure that my fingers are clean, because this is just going to be, oh, so much fun. Yes, absolutely. Okay, so we are going to, I'm going to use my thumb for the mama and the papa, and then I'm going to use my little one here. Okay, so for the parent, this is going to crack me up. Well, you know what? I want to test this. Okay. And do that. Okay. We've got that. I should have pressed down a little bit more, but that's okay. Let's clean that off. Great. Now my fingers are in for it now. Okay. But that's okay. All right. I'm going to run out of fingers. All right. See how fun this can be? So now we're going to do that one. And I'm going to do that one. And now I got ink on that one. Okay. That is just too cute. I'm just saying. All right, so now I've got my red, my jelly green, and I've got my ocean mist. So if I take this The green, I want on the star. The red, I want on the heart. And then the blue, I want on the snowflake. I'm loving this. Oh my God. Maybe I should have done a voiceover on this one. Now I have ink all over my fingers. Okay, so if we think positively, we will not transfer the ink to everything else that we're doing. Okay, now what I am going to do I am going to add just a hint of color to the outside of these. So I'm going to add, I need a piece of scratch paper. Let me move those. So for this one, I'm just going to add a little bit of the green. Just to the top and the bottom. Again, clean, simple. Again, just adds a little bit to this. And I think on this one, the herd, I'm going to add some of the ocean mist. And just a little bit. And then same thing to the top. So just a little bit. Yes, it's fitting that I'm using these. These are the Tailored Expressions blending brushes. And yes, I got sucked in because of the colored handles. I know. I bow my head. So, these are our two cards. So I'm just going to simply put these on. I matted a piece of cardstock that measures 3 inches by 4.5. My white pieces of cardstock, wow, did I just do that? I did. Okay, so we're going to put this down and I'll explain what this card base is in a second. Okay, so this is actually cut 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. So the card bases are pre-made that I'm using, and I found them at my local craft store, which is Michael's. That's a craft store that's literally right around the corner from me, which is dangerous. And it was really nice. They had a nice sale. This is a packet of 25. It's got cards and envelopes. I just loved the size. The cards are 3.5 by 4.87. I think that's close to 4 3/4, just a little bit over. Just saying. Or maybe that's close to 4 7/8. So I just thought these were nice. So maybe you do want to get into card making, but you don't want to go into everything. These sets are perfectly fine. Maybe you just like to make cards for the holidays. You don't do it all year round. These are perfect bases for you to do that. Envelopes included. Okay, so then now let's get this one up onto our mat. And we'll get that down there. And then we'll get this one mounted onto our card. Yeah. I cannot win with tape runners. Yes, had to dig. I just don't win. I always like to check to make sure that my card will open. Yes, I've put my cards on upside down. It's like a game for the recipient. I still give them. I don't. So what? They're upside down. It's different. Okay, and those are our 2 cards. I am absolutely in love with this stamp set. Right now, this is my favorite. For those of you that watched 2018, do you remember Jingle All the Way? So, I think this will probably be one of the shortest videos as well in the series. So, I do hope you enjoyed it. All the products that I used will be listed down below in the video description. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you all are enjoying the 2019 Christmas series, and remember, this is day 12 within that series. Thank you so much for stopping by and taking the time to watch this quick video for day 12. But if you haven't already, I'd love for you to subscribe. Make sure you ring the bell. By ringing the bell, you'll know when the next video is ready for you to watch. And also hit the thumbs up. Yeah, we have you doing lots of things to do this. You got to work at it. Anyway, but I do hope everyone is enjoying their day, even though you may be getting hit by a storm at the time that I'm filming this. We are as well. So stay comfortable, stay inside, and it's the best time for you guys to always be creative. Till next time.